Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of our 60 Days Spoken English podcast. I am Sam, and I am so happy to see you again. Yesterday, we learned how to introduce ourselves without making mistakes. Today, we are going to a place that makes many people very nervous. Can you guess where?
Oh, I know this one, Sam. It is the restaurant. Hello, everyone. I am Ishani. You know, Sam, I have seen people who are very brave, but the moment a waiter comes and speaks in fast English, they just point at the menu and stay silent.
Actually, that is so true, Ishani. It's like our brain just stops working. Today, we are going to fix that. We will talk about why we feel nervous and how to order food like a total pro. Plus, we'll learn how to talk to a stranger in a cafe.
This is going to be so practical. But first, Sam, why does this happen? Why do we feel tongue-tied even when we know the words?
See, Ishani, the problem is we study English as a subject in school, like math or science. But in the real world, English is a language. It is alive. When you're at a restaurant, words come at you at 100 miles per hour. It feels overwhelming.
Exactly. And then we try to translate every single word in our head. That is a mistake. Listeners, I want you to learn a new term today, extensive learning. It just means don't worry about every tiny word. Just try to get the gist, the main idea.
That's a great point. Like when you learnt your mother tongue as a baby, you just listened and copied. You did not use a dictionary. So just listen to the sound and the feel of the sentence.
Okay, so let us practice. Imagine you're sitting in a nice restaurant. The waiter walks up to you. Sam, can you be the waiter?
Sure. Hello, I will be your waiter today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Now, listeners, notice he said, start you off. It just means, what do you want first? I will say my order, and I want you to repeat it after me. I'll have the iced tea, please.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say it out loud. I will have the iced tea, please.
Good. Now let's try another one. Maybe you want a lemonade. Repeat after me. I'll have a lemonade.
Did you notice that Ishani said, I will have? This is the magic phrase for ordering. Don't say, I want. Say, I will have. It sounds very polite and professional.
Oh, absolutely. Now let's order the main food. Sam, ask me for the order.
Are you ready to order your meal?
Yes, I'll have the tomato soup to start and the roast beef with mashed potatoes.
That sounds delicious. Now, listeners, here's a quick tip. If you order something like beef or steak, the waiter might ask, how do you want it? He means, how much should we cook it? You can say rare, which means less cooked, or medium, or well done, which means fully cooked.
That is very useful. But Sam, what if I don't want a starter? What if I only want one thing?
Then you can use the word just. You can say, I will just have the fish. It tells the waiter that is all you want for now. Everyone repeat after me. I will just have the fish. Say it again. I will just have the fish.
Perfect. You're doing so well. Now, let us move to the next part. Sometimes in a cafe, you need to talk to a stranger. Maybe you need some sugar from their table. How do you ask without being rude?
See, you should always start with excuse me. It's the best way to get attention. Try saying, excuse me, could you bring us some sugar?
Sam, why did you use could instead of can?
Oh, good question. You know, could you is much more polite than can you. It sounds softer. Listeners, repeat this polite sentence with me. Excuse me, could you tell me where the washroom is? Try it. Excuse me, could you tell me where the washroom is?
That is a lifesaver. Now, Sam, what if you hear someone talking and you want to say something? You know, like butting in.
That's a bit tricky. You should say, sorry for butting in, but I think you are right. It means, I'm sorry for interrupting your conversation. It's a very natural way to join a talk.
I love that phrase, sorry for butting in. And if someone is telling you a sad story or a struggle, you can say, I know how you feel. It shows you understand them.
Exactly. It builds a connection. Wow, we've learned so much today. Before we end, let us do a quick recap.
Yes, number 1, don't translate every word. Just get the gist. Number 2, when ordering food, use the phrase I'll have. Number 3, use could you to be extra polite. And number 4, use sorry for butting in if you need to interrupt.
And yes, remember your homework for today. Take any menu card or search for one on your phone. Stand in front of the mirror and practice ordering. Say, I will have the pasta, please.
Do it 5 times. Confidence comes from speaking, not just listening. If you like today's episode, please leave a comment. Tell us what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant.
And yes, share this with a friend who gets nervous in cafes. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow, on day 3, we are going to learn how to think in English and how to ask for directions.
Oh, that is going to be very helpful. You are doing amazing. Don't let the fear stop you. You have a great future ahead.
Keep practicing. You are a winner. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone. See you soon.